New York City just elected its youngest ever mayor, and he celebrated with a Bollywood soundtrack. That's right, while most American politicians blast classic rock or pop hits at their victory parties, Zohran Mamdani went full filmy. The title track from the 2004 blockbuster Dhoom pumped through the speakers as supporters erupted in cheers. This wasn't Mumbai, this was Manhattan, and it was absolutely perfect. But here's where it gets interesting. Mamdani did not just celebrate with Bollywood, he campaigned with it. Remember those classic Hindi film posters? The ones with bold dramatic lettering and colors so vivid they practically jump off the wall. That's exactly what Mamdani's campaign looked like. His designer Anish Bhupati revealed the secret. Zohran mentioned Bollywood posters as an inspiration and even sent a couple over. The result? Campaign posters in royal blue, cranberry red, and marigold yellow. A custom font inspired by vintage Hindi cinema. That gorgeous Z alone, lifted from a typeface called Boheld, became instantly iconic. As Bhupati puts it, we weren't going to shy away from looking different. We want to play into the identity of being South Asian. But the real magic? The campaign videos. Mamdani took one of Bollywood's most iconic scenes from the 1975 classic Diwar. In it, Amitabh Bachchan's character boasts about his wealth. Today, I have buildings, property, a bungalow, bank balance, a car. What do you have? The classic response? I have my mother. But Mamdani's video cuts that off. Instead, we see him, arms spread wide, in full Shah Rukh Khan pose, smiling directly at the camera. And his answer? I have you. Meaning the voters, the people. It's brilliant political messaging wrapped in pure Bollywood drama. And he didn't stop there. Campaign videos featuring Om Shanti Om, references to Kurz, famous Bollywood dialogues reworked to explain ranked choice voting. Because nothing says civic engagement quite like a masala movie mashup. Now this makes perfect sense when you know who Mamdani is. His mother is Meera Nair, the brilliant filmmaker behind Monsoon Wedding and The Namesake. The man literally grew up on film sets. Bollywood is not just inspiration for him, it's in his DNA. And it worked. Big time. Mamdani made history as New York City's first Muslim mayor, its youngest ever mayor. He defeated a political heavyweight, former Governor Andrew Cuomo, in the Democratic primary. How? By reaching immigrant and working class voters in a language they understood. Not just English or Hindi, but the universal language of Bollywood emotion. Bold colors, dramatic gestures, unforgettable music, and most importantly, heart. So what's the lesson here? In a city as diverse as New York, Mamdani proved that representation is not just about who's on the ballot. It's about how you show up, how you celebrate your identity, how you make voters see themselves in your story. He did not try to fit into the standard American political playbook. He rewrote it with Bollywood flair. And on election night, as Dhoom blasted through the speakers and Mamdani embraced his wife, artist Rama Duaji, one thing was clear. This was not just a political victory. This was a blockbuster hit. With Debangna Datta, Bureau Report, India Today Global.